How long does it take for an event organizer to set up MatchPoint, and how much work is it really for their team?
I was going to say, by the time you answered that question, it was already half done.
Jokes aside, it honestly anywhere between 7 to 15 minutes for an organizer. We can do it in 5 to 7 minutes, inputting information in because we've done it so many times. The first time an organizer does it, I was on with them just to sit there and watch, and they did it in about 12 minutes. I guess, for me, the hardest part is just making sure that you have your logo
Yeah,
readily available to upload. And then if you do, it would take you the 10 minutes to upload it.
I would say like minus the graphics. Like if you don't have it, then the rest is, I mean, it's straightforward. We're just asking,
Super
what's the
simple
link to your
information. Yeah.
agenda? What's the link to your floor plan?
Link to your
Where's the
registration.
event and what's the date? And I mean,
Yeah.
if you're an event organizer and you don't know that, then you're in a lot of trouble.
So all that information you have pretty much top of your head, or easily accessible, and that's why it takes such a little time. The upload, for attendees, typically you're not putting your event in and then uploading, right? You're putting it in maybe 2 months beforehand, or even more, so that you can gain some traction on it. And then you'll see like 6 weeks, like typical any other event tech that organizers use. 6 weeks, they'll have the integration and or the uploads, start going in, and then those auto invites to your audience and attendees start to go out. So
I also want to just reiterate the fact that once you have uploaded your event and imported your attendees or set up your integration, no one has to go back in and do anything. Like it's set for you and your attendees are going to match, but there's no heavy lifting on your team side going
that's it,
forward.
except to, re-upload an additional list of attendees that
Right.
registered within, the 6 weeks or the day of or things like that, so that they're getting access to it. That's where the integration really is important because it's real time and you don't have to do anything else once that's set up.
Exactly.
But yeah, but you're right. They don't have to do anything. The system takes care of everything else for them once everyone is uploaded and the event is live.